We're going to do some line boring on this cylinder. Got most of it set up. There's how we use some expanders, I guess you'd call them, I don't know. Anyway, they expand out 3 ways to line up things in the cylinder. These are bearings. I got to pull the shaft out, take these out, put the shaft back in, and I can set up the cutter and get the rest of the boring bar ready to go. I've already did these holes down here a while ago. Got a little rusty, but that one there. And we did this one here. Bushing goes in on each side, the pin goes through there. So I did one side and I brought the boring bar to the other side and did the other side. I'm using the same jig as I used below. It's a pretty simple jig. Everything's tacked together and welded to the main arm. Okay, here's the rest of our setup for our boring. I got the 3/4 inch drill for a power unit, and this is a 2-speed feed, has a high and a low. I've already made one pass through here. Now let's see if I can get you in there. You can see some chips anyway, and see on the back side we're not cutting yet.